children, today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is India politics. So in this chapter, I will tell you about India's political division, how India is divided into different states and the different districts. So let's study about the political division. As you all know, India is a big country and it covers area of about how much, that is 32,87,263. India is the 7th largest country and it is not easy to govern a big country. So India has been divided into smaller parts and there are 28 states and 8 UT, and there is a central government as you see in the center and the state government for the state. As you all know, India is a big country and it cannot be governed by only one government. So we have divided the states into different parts and we have different state government. Every state has its own government. If we talk about the central government, it's look after whole country, and the president, prime minister and ministers of central government, where do they live? They live in New Delhi. And in Delhi, and New Delhi is the capital of India. So union territories are those areas that are under the direct control of the central government. So in 2019, government bifurcated the state into Jammu and Kashmir into two parts, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So they have chief minister to look after the government. Here some state has been, here your 28 states has been given to you, their capital that you must know, and the languages what is spoken and crop that are grown and main rivers and how much the area it cover. So you have Andhra Pradesh, which is known as rice bowl, it is known as Amravati. What we call it Amravati, its language is Telugu and Urdu. If we talk about food crop, main crops like rice, chili, cotton, sugarcane and coconut. Main river are Godavari and Krishna and their area is 2,75,068 km. We have Arunachal Pradesh, which is also called land of rising sun, क्योंकि यहाँ से जो आपका sun है वो rise करता है, its capital is Echanagar. And we have language Mopa, Mizyaka, different languages spoken. Apple, oranges and pineapples are the main crop that are grown. Brahmaputra is the river and the area is given 83,840. Assam, seven sister state, capital Dispur. Assam is a language and rice, jute, tea is main crop here. Bihar, Indo-Gangetic plain, Patna, Hindu, Urdu, rice, sugarcane are the crop that is, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh. One by one, what you will do, you will learn about all the states. As you know that Himachal Pradesh is the land of snow because यहाँ पर बर्फ बहुत पड़ती है, right? Then we have Chhattisgarh, Goa, which is the smallest state. Goa क्या है, smallest state है, capital Panaji. Then we have Karnataka, Bangalore, and Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, and Jharkhand, that is Ranchi. Then we have Maharashtra. Like this, all the states you will read one by one. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Manipur, Imphal. There Manipuri rice, Narmada is the river. Then Mizoram as well. Then Mizo English, sugarcane or coconut is grown here. Meghalaya, Shillong, और जो language है वो गारो, खासी और आप English है. Daleswari यहाँ के river है, that you must know. Then we have Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, in Lucknow. Language is Hindu and Urdu. Wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane, cotton, gram, barley, mustard are grown. Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, these all are grown. Now we have Tripura, that is Agartala, its capital. Rice and jute. West Bengal, Kolkata, you have Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Ganga is the main river over here. And then we have Daman and Diu. Right, these all are UT and you must read them, learn them. It will be good for you. Then we have here, like you can see, Dadar, Nagar Haveli, Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Chandigarh, Puducherry, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. These all are the different UTs that you may learn. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.